Starting around 07 April 2024, Ethereum truly is exchanging at $3,404 in terms of its OST rate, with the value change of 0.9% in certainly most recent 1 hour in a significant manner. ETH truly has a truly complete market cap of $408,742,678,955 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 99,133,633.81 in an unpretentious manner. This, in a real sense, makes Ethereum ETH in every way that really matters, positioning it too in the cryptographic money market. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Ethereum cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Ethereum basically be genuinely worth in 2024 in a by and large enormous manner? Is Ethereum a truly wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2024, especially in spite of prevalent thinking? Will ETH cost basically outperform its record-breaking extremely high in an unpretentious manner? These, for the most part, are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, which by and large is genuinely huge. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2024 as per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ETH cost in a real sense is supposed to especially cross an exceptionally normal value level of $4.24. The normal, essentially least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to fundamentally be $4.257 in an essentially huge manner. Besides, ETH can by and large arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $4.977, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Ethereum value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Ethereum especially is supposed to in a real sense be at around a kind of least of $3,193. Showing how ETH sort of has an all-out market cap of $408,742,678,955 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,133,633.81, which generally is very critical. Ethereum cost can essentially arrive at a kind of limit of $3,592 with the in every practical sense, normal cost of $3,493 in USD, which certainly is very critical. Ethereum value expectation May 2024. The cost of Ethereum is for the most part anticipated to especially reach at an essentially least worth of $3,429 in May 2024, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The ETH cost could especially arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $3,732 with a typical exchanging worth of $3,563 all through 2024. So ETH really has a genuinely all-out market cap of $408,742,678,955 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $133,633.81, or so they explicitly thought. Ethereum ETH value expectation June 2024. With respect to June 2024, Ethereum cost basically is gauged to sort of arrive at an in every practical sense least cost of $3,503. Which essentially is genuinely huge. The ETH cost could generally arrive at a really most extreme cost of $3,875 with the in every practical sense, normal expected cost around $3,669 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum value figure July 2024. The truly normal cost of Ethereum ETH could go to $3,779 toward the finish of July 2024, exhibiting that will ETH cost especially outperform its untouched most certainly high in an unobtrusive manner. ETH could essentially be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $4.058 with the fundamentally least expected cost of $3,646 in an extremely large manner. Ethereum ETH value expectation August 2024. The cost for Ethereum in August 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $3,689 and $4,247. Kind of additional appearance how these for the most part are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, which really is genuinely critical, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $3,855, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. ETH value conjecture September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Ethereum truly is supposed to for the most part arrive at the very least value worth of $3,876, or so they in a real sense thought. The ETH cost could sort of arrive at a greatest cost of $4,440 with the in every practical sense, normal cost around $4,409, which for the most part shows that Ethereum value expectation May 2024. The cost of Ethereum basically is certainly anticipated to all things considered, reach at an extremely least worth of $3,429 in May 2024, or so they essentially thought. Ethereum ETH value gauge October 2024. The Ethereum ETH cost for October 2024 may especially arrive at least worth of $3 to $963, while the in every practical sense most extreme estimated cost truly is around $4 to $600, or so they truly thought. The fundamentally normal cost for ETH explicitly is especially anticipated to reach $4 to $130 in October 2024, or so they generally thought. ETH value conjecture November 2024. The Ethereum gauge for November 2024 expects that the ETH may truly arrive at a most extreme worth of $4 to $807 with a sort of least cost of around $4 to $87 in a very huge manner. Discussing the truly normal value ETH can stretch around $4 to $253 for November in an especially large manner. Ethereum value conjecture December 2024. In December 2024, the greatest cost for Ethereum could truly stretch around $4 to $977 in every practical sense. Further appearance how ETH could explicitly be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $4.058 with a truly least expected cost of $3,646, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Besides, the minimum cost of ETH in December 2024 is $4,257 with a very normal cost of $4,424. Sort of additional appearance how additionally ETH can, for the most part, arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $4,977, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Ethereum's cost in every way that really matters has shown an excellent increment of 243% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, which is very critical. Ethereum certainly is confronting a fundamentally difficult time, jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins. So Ethereum value gauge April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Ethereum by and large is supposed to truly be at around a truly least of $3,193. Showing how ETH really has a very all-out market cap of $408, $742, $678, $955 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of 99, 133, 633's 81 in a for the most part significant manner. The ETH generally is down to nearly 64% in the very most recent 7 days in an in every way that really matters significant way. The coin fundamentally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for in every practical sense. Past fundamentally couple of days, the coin could have major areas of strength for truly in any case. We don't in a real sense imagine that it would a productive resource in truly present moment. Showing how Ethereum value. Figure July 2024 the genuinely normal cost of Ethereum ETH could in a real sense go to $3 to $779 toward the finish of July 2024, exhibiting that will ETH cost basically outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they certainly thought. Ethereum value conjecture 2024 facts what will in every practical sense be Ethereum by and large worth in